Geography and climate. This region experiences a Mediterranean climate characterized by dry summers and mild, rainy winters with occasional snowfall. Ramallah records an average annual rainfall of approximately 615 mm, 24 in, with a minimum of 307 mm, 12 in, and a maximum of 1,591 mm, 63 in. According to the K8-Pilkropan climate classification, Ramallah falls into the XA category, typical of climates found on the western sides of continents between latitudes 38 degrees and 45 degrees. These climates, situated in the polar front region during winter, exhibit moderate temperatures and variable, rainy weather. Summers are hot and dry, primarily due to the influence of subtropical high-pressure systems. Coastal areas experience milder summers due to the presence of cold ocean currents, causing fog but limiting rainfall. Economy. Ramallah is recognized as the seat of power for the Palestinian Authority and serves as the central hub for numerous international NGOs and embassies. The city's economy has flourished, thanks to significant aid influxes since the conclusion of the Second Intifada. A notable construction boom is evident in Ramallah, showcasing West Bank economic growth at an estimated annual rate of 8%. This prosperity is attributed to relative stability and substantial support from Western donors to the Palestinian Authority. Ramallah's thriving economy attracts residents from other West Bank towns with fewer employment opportunities, leading to a fivefold increase in the built-up area since 2002. By 2010, Ramallah had become the primary center for economic and political activities in the territories under Palestinian Authority control. The city experienced a building surge in the early 21st century, marked by the construction of apartment buildings and five-star hotels, particularly in the Al-Masih neighborhood. Numerous Palestinian businesses relocated to Ramallah from East Jerusalem, drawn by lower taxes and a larger customer base. Some view Ramallah as the de facto capital of Palestine, a claim supported by the New York Times in 2010, which dubbed it the de facto capital of the West Bank. Asel Technologies, an information technology company in Ramallah, with 120 employees, anticipates exponential growth. Demographics. In 1870, an Ottoman village list reported 249 houses and a population of 635, men only, in Ramallah. By 1896, the population had grown to an estimated 2,061. The 1922 census revealed a population of 3,104, comprising 2,972 Christians, 125 Muslims, and 7 Jews. The demographic makeup shifted over time, with significant emigration of Christians between 1948 and 1967. Ramallah's population decreased from 24,722 in 1987 to 17,851 in 1997. In 2005, the population exceeded 24,000, reaching 27,460 in the 2007 census. The city's demographics in 1997 showed 60.3% Palestinian refugees, with a population of 17,851, including 8,622 males and 9,229 females. The age distribution included 45.9% under 20 years old, 45.4% between 20 and 64, and 4.7% aged over 64. Health. The Ramallah Hospital Foundation, established in the aftermath of the 1936 A39 Arab Revolt, purchased land for a future hospital in 1944. In 1963, the Ramallah Government Hospital was opened. The hospital has played a crucial role in providing medical services, including the first open-heart surgery in January 1987. Religious institutions. Ramallah hosts various religious institutions, including the Jamal Abdel Nasser Mosque, Orthodox Church of Ramallah, Malchite Catholic Church, Evangelical Lutheran Church, Arab Episcopal Church, Ramallah Local Church, and Ramallah Baptist Church. The city also accommodates a new Coptic Orthodox Church on one of its highest hills. Additionally, a small group of Jehovah's Witnesses is present in the area. During the annual Saturday of Light religious festival, Scouts parade through the city streets to receive the flame from Jerusalem, commemorating the light believed to shine from the tomb of Jesus. If you enjoyed this immersive journey into Ramallah and churches of different denominations, subscribe and share this video to spread the beauty of Palestinian culture. Your support helps us continue bringing you more incredible content.